How to save Clipboard's text in Windows 11 using Windows PowerToys. Hello guys and welcome back to Delve Stack. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can save Clipboard's text in Windows 11 using Windows PowerToys. So let's get started. First of all, you gotta make sure you have installed PowerToys on your PC. To do that, you gotta head over to Microsoft Store, go to the search bar and type in PowerToys. And if you have not installed it before, you'll be able to see an install button. So click on it and then you'll be able to see open. So once you click on open, you'll be redirected to PowerToys settings, and at the top, you gotta search for text extractor. So you gotta enable your text extractor, you gotta toggle it on, and then you can see your activation shortcut over here, that is Windows plus Shift plus T. So let's just press it and then you can simply copy the text that you want to save to your clipboard. For example, I'm gonna save this text, that is text extractor is a convenient way to copy text from anywhere on screen. And after that, you gotta press Windows key followed by V, and you can see this was the text that I just copied. And that was basically how you can save Clipboard's text in Windows 11 using Windows PowerToys. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.